Okay.
And
very nice.
yeah.
I remember now.
Yes,
wow. Sir. Not many people do it this way, and you're able to pull this out.
Yep.
And reverse. I guess you could go from, what's your tunings that you try to do?
My tuning, it's really probably at about 32. It peaks at 36 to 20 to 28.
Okay.
Really. Well, actually, it'll actually kind of peak up to about 40, but my max is 36.
That's a nice fuse. This is the 45?
It's a 7.5.
Oh, the 7500.
Yep.
Wow, I haven't seen one in a while. That's pretty big.
Yeah, I've got 2 of those that's going to be running my next set.
Okay.
And
very nice.
But yeah, got the excess power supercell and the down for sound lithium battery.
All linked together.
Yep.
How does it work? How does it do with the XS, the AGM?
It's actually been
no problem.
Fine. Yeah, I've had really no problem. I actually thought that I was having a problem, but then I took the AGM out and I wasn't having a problem.
Yeah. So it's just a little extra battery bank.
Right. Yeah. And which I am doing a whole 120 amp hour Yinglong setup, and I got 2 banks of the supercells, but for this I didn't need that, and
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so.
All right. Yeah, I'd love to hear it.
Yeah,
this is 412s.
Yes, sir. This is
what, Sundown or?
No, there's Scar SBR.
Scar. Yep. SBRs. SBR. Okay. Are those the 1250s? 1250?
800 RMS, 1600
really?
Max. Yep.
Oh, wow. Oh, so you're kind of pushing them to their limits?
Yeah. And they're taking it, man. They've been taking it for a while.
Yes, sir.
Let me get you a...
Is it louder with windows back, open, or closed in the back?
Yeah, we're gonna roll them up.
Okay, just wanted to make sure. All right.
And I'm gonna probably roll this one.
Okay.
Leave yours kind of open.
I can smell them a little bit. You definitely would.
Yeah, I pushed them earlier because I thought I was gonna have some. Let me try to find the song, man. I've got this huge USB.
Okay.
I just got it.
See what you want to do, man.
Not familiar with it yet.
It's all right.
I know you're probably busy as heck.
Don't worry about it. Do what you got to do. Solid box.
Yep, and I do all my own work. I just opened a company. That's what the Beatitude performance is. And here, we'll do some relaxing. I like this one. Come on now.
Yeah. Hey, it's all good. I got a little subflex and outside. Appreciate
Awesome,
it, man.
I appreciate
Nice to meet you, man.
And me too,
Woo.
man. And I watch all your videos for
Okay.
real. And I mean, whenever I got back into car audio, your videos were the main thing that got me back in.
Awesome.
Man, I've been
I'm glad to
watching
help.
them for years.
Thank you.
And been watching all the subscribers just rise and rise.
People like
rise,
them.
man.
People like them. Yes, sir.
They do, man. It keeps us on base heads and give us something to do in between the shows.
And we learn from it to use from it.
We do,
so,
man. I'm telling you, a lot of the stuff that I've learned on checking and doing my stuff has been from like a lot of your videos and you doing testing on your stuff. And you know, other
you get to
guys
see
that
other
do the
people's
same
builds,
thing.
and you're like, oh, I like what he did there.
Yeah, that was smart. You know,
That's the goal behind it.
That's
so yes,
exactly
sir.
right, man.
Awesome. Thank you for the demo.
Yeah, man. I appreciate you getting to it, man.
Yeah, man.
Nice meeting you.
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.